Meaning does not arise from infinity. It arises from limits the body can feel. Biology does not diminish wonder, it gives it shape. Life matters because it is timed, constrained, and held by boundaries that cannot be crossed. Death is not the opposite of meaning. It is the condition that allows meaning to form. And so, here are 9 biological boundaries that make meaning possible. 1. Finite lifespan. First, every organism has a limited duration of physiological coherence. Meaning arises because time is scarce, attention sharpens, and choice becomes necessary. 2. Energy availability limits. Cells operate within strict metabolic budgets. Meaning forms because effort must be allocated. Not everything can be done. 3. Irreversible development stages. Biological growth moves in one direction from birth to decline. Meaning exists because moments cannot be revisited or repaired. 4. Sensory bandwidth constraints. The nervous system processes only a fraction of available input. Meaning appears because perception is selective. 5. Memory capacity and decay. Neural memory is finite and subject to loss. Meaning depends on forgetting as much as remembering. 6. Homeostatic tolerance ranges. Life persists only within narrow physiological thresholds. Meaning arises because imbalance has consequence. 7. Attachment dependency. Mammalian survival requires bonding during limited developmental windows. Meaning deepens because love is biologically costly. 8. Cognitive closure necessity. The brain seeks resolution to reduce uncertainty and metabolic strain. Meaning forms because experience must conclude to integrate. 9. Non-repeatability of experience. No biological state can be recreated exactly. Meaning exists because each moment is singular. And so we realize meaning is not added to life. It is shaped by the limits that hold life together. Without boundaries, experience dissolves into sameness. With boundaries, life becomes precious. So we ask ourselves, where do limits sharpen my attention? What matters because it cannot last? How does my body already know meaning? What changes when I stop resisting finitude? Life is not meaningful despite its limits. Life is meaningful because of them. Death does not erase meaning, and you are the moment where meaning appears because it ends.